What's good, everyone? So guys, welcome back to my yet another video, yet another vlog. And so guys, for today's content, it's gonna be a bit different than usual days, because we got a picnic today and we'll take you guys along with us. So it's gonna be an amazing video, guys. Please keep watching till the end, and if you haven't yet already, then I'm telling you again and again, bro, please do subscribe. Please press that subscribe button, bro. It's gonna help me to grow my channel, bro. So you guys already know, your support and love are the only fuel that drives me, that keeps me going, guys. So please show love and yeah, subscribe. That is it, bro. I'll catch you guys in a minute. So yeah, currently I'm moving towards the picnic spot and all my boys are there. I came back to bring some to buy some stuff. So now I'm heading towards the picnic spot. So that's how it looks like, guys. You guys can see it already. So it's already 12 p.m. right now, and yeah, and we gotta make food. So it's gonna take us about 2 to 3 hours to prepare. This place is good. It's decent. It's not that good. I'm not gonna over exaggerate, guys. This place is decent, you know what I'm saying? And it's your boy walking towards the picnic spot. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once I'm there, once I reach that place. So you guys can see it already, bro. So let me get to that place and then I'll talk to you guys, because right now I am super tired as shit, bro. You guys already know. So guys, finally we arrived at the picnic spot.
A few moments later. Oh! रिकॉर्ड भएन भयो ये रहा हम लोग का कौन है राजू भाई बॉडी ओइस म आज कैमरामैन.
You guys already know, bro. We're about to do some crazy shit, so please be on this video.
Guys, as you all can see that they all are luteras.
Yes.
All of man cameraman focus karo. All of man. Anyhow, kala. Yate. All is any. আপনি গেলা তো ইয়াতে সব অলপমান কি আছে সারপ্রাইজ আছে ইয়াতে মোক আপনাক দেখাইছো দে অলপমান ইয়াতে জুম কর কেলা yo অলপমান গাইস অলপমান টেস্টিং কৰি আছো লেকিন এইটো ইয়াতে দেখাও এইটো ওনার টু অলপমান ক্যামেরাম্যান ফোকাস করো ই ওনার আছে না ই ওনারটা একদম বেয়া দে কি কম আৰু হেতে দেখা ইয়াতে সা ইমান লৰাই কাম কৰি আছে ইমান চেষ্টা কৰি আছে কষ্ট কৰি আছে টাক দেখা টাক কেলা টাক দেখা ওই No more slang word. Oh, मेरे मत ना है. गाना बजा थोते नाच रहा है. Look at him, guys. Go. बोला.
So guys, right now we're about to cook some food. You guys can see it already, man. It is tough cooking food in this condition, no fuel, no nothing, guys, but still we're making food, bro. You guys can check out the view behind my back, bro. This thing is beautiful, you know what I'm saying, bro? So yeah, I'll see you guys once we're done cooking.
मामा रिएक्शन दे हल्का अरु यार मान्छे हेर्न बाइ बाइ उयो छ उयो पनि मासी हो ओइ क्लासमा लिन बोर लाग्यो सबै
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
ओए भाइ मेरो प्लेट खोइ उसको मेरो राख्न सब लोग तीन जने के ले उसको हो रहा मेरो हेर्ने हो मेरो सब्जी ब्रो
भाइ के भन्छस् कि बरु अलिकति
अरविन्दलाई भन्नु दे
अरविन
भोक लागेको रहेछ यसलाई
मजा भएन
एकदम बढिया
म्याम्स के भन्छ यस्तो भाइको ब्लगमा
लाइफमा जे पनि हुन सक्छ खाइहाल्नुपर्छ कतिवटा हामीलाई पनि हुन्छ हैन
A few moments later.
बत्ती डोरी
So guys, after having food, we just wandered around, exploring random spots and enjoying every bit of the day with my brothers. Honestly, days like this are must, just to clear your head and live in the moment. We've spent hours together under the clear blue sky, talking about everything and nothing, cracking jokes and laughing at our own silly problems. And when the heat got too much, we didn't think twice to jump straight into the water. Nothing fancy, just us, the sky above, the water below, and the kind of memories you carry forever.
La.
So guys, we're done with today's picnic, and now we're about to, we're done bathing as well, and now we're about to head back home. And we spent like almost like 5 hours today here. Oh, so we're done with today's program. So now we're about to head back home. You guys can see it already, bro. This looks, the scene here looks great, you know what I'm saying, bro? So now we're finna change, and because you guys can see, bro, I am on my search. So let's go. Now it is the end of today's program, whatever it is you wanna call it. You guys can see my voice already, already ready to move. So that is it, bro. I hope you all like my content, and if you do like, then please do subscribe. And that is it, bro. You guys can subscribe my channel for more contents like this. So we'll see you guys. Let me show you guys the view behind me. This thing is majestic, bro. Zoom, bro. So you thought the vlog is over? Not yet, bro. So even I'm feeling so tired and I want to sleep so bad, but my friend just called me and said, come on bro, let's chill, let's do something, let's have fun. Basically it has become it has become like a routine for me, to chill out with the friends in the evening, to try out different cafes in my area. So yeah, without any further ado, I'll take you guys along with me and I'll try to keep you guys entertained as much as possible, because y'all know this vlog life, man. The grind don't stop, the work don't stop, you know what I'm saying, bro? That's how it is, that's how we roll, bro. I can talk to you forever, bro, and still it won't be enough for me, but right now I'm running out of time. I know I ain't got no eyes on my wrist, bro, but we gotta go now. Yeah, we gotta leave, we gotta do some shit, bro. Yeah, it is my job to keep you guys entertained now, bro. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Let's go, bro. Yo, what's good, what's good? Finally at the nah, not here, bro. Oh yeah, and we've ordered 5 or 6 coffees, and there was nothing to eat, so we are heading towards another shop to bring something to eat with the coffee, because we need something to eat, bro. And this is the place we about to bring something to eat, bro. So we're taking samosas with us. You wanna see the packing, bro? You guys can see. So, yeah, I'm with the bro, my bro Alamin. We bought 6 samosas for 6 people, and now we're about to head back to that same location, bro. Same cafe, restaurant, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, my bros are waiting for us there in the cafe. So let's go, bro. With us. And this is the coffee, bro.
Sharing is caring, bro.
And the rate of this coffee is 40 rupees. I think it's
Not more than that.
yeah, it's convenient. It's very it's not so cheap, bro, but yeah, it is what it is. So we having coffee. You guys can see it already with some samosas, and you guys can check out the weather. It just rained, bro, and the weather's kind of chill, and it's a perfect time. It's a perfect time to drink something hot.
So friendship, guys.
Yes. Let's go, bro. One more one.
Come on. It is what it is. Bye. America यहाँ चाहिँ फेरि English चल्दैन नि, अंग्रेजी चल्दैन नि भाइ.
If you guys are not used to eating spices, please do not try this at home. So guys, we done drinking coffee, and now we're heading home right now. You guys can see my bros. So yeah, I'll see you guys. So that is it for the video. I'm super tired right now. So now I'll head back home and take some rest, because tomorrow I've got to wake up at 4 a.m. and go for a run. You guys already know, bro. Yeah, good night. See you guys in the next video.
Hey, yeah.